I'm going to guess that if you're watching this, you are committed. You're willing to do whatever it takes to book more work and fulfill your dream. Acting is your calling in life, and you're willing to work for it. Yet you often shy away from the important actions, telling yourself you'll do them when the time is right. It's like you're waiting for the perfect moment to really, really go for it. Maybe you want more recognizable credits before you reach out to that dream agent that you've been scouting. Or maybe you want to lose those last 10 pandemic pounds before you book that headshot session. Or maybe you need to save up money to get all your sellotape equipment together, so you feel like you can't really audition now anyway. Some actors are still waiting for the industry to start back up again. It started. We have figured out a way to move forward despite this pandemic. So if you're done with living in a career holding pattern and you're ready to make 2021 the year that you break through in your career, I want to invite you to a special free event. Go from worried actor to working actor is a free 5-day challenge that I'm leading from December 7th through December 11th. It's totally free and it's totally awesome. Last year, we helped hundreds of actors eliminate what's holding them back and break through their biggest blocks. And I've made some upgrades to the challenge this year to make it even better. The challenge kicks off on Monday, December 7th, but registration starts right now. I promise you that at the end of the challenge, you will be ready to finally call in the success that you deserve in 2021. So sign up right now for free, and I'll see you soon.